Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uruj Fatma from Z1801. My presentation topic is circulatory system in bonifacius. Circulatory system. A circulatory system is the system responsible for circulation of blood, nutrients, and gases around an organism body. It is a circulatory system that helps maintain homeostasis on body overall chemical and temperature balance. Circulatory system bonifacius consists of three main components: the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The circulatory system bonifacius consists of one main circuit from the heart to gills to the cell. The circuit is a closed system. It is contained in the vessel and a lobe. Circulatory system in ectopterygium bonifacius closed circuit consists of a closed circulatory system present two chamber heart, and atrium and ventricle consist on bonifacius, and single lobe heart is present. Blood circulation takes place in bonifacius as blood travel from heart to gills, gills to body, and body to heart. Oxygen poor blood travel from heart to gill capillaries to red arteries. Oxygen rich blood from body capillaries. Blood flow. The sinus venosus receive oxygen depleted blood from the body. A valve at the end of sinus venosus open into the atrium. What is sinus venosus? Sinus venosus, the side of heart, is preceded by an enlarged chamber called sinus venosus. The atrium has thick muscular wall. The atrium receives oxygen depleted blood and pumped into the ventricle. The ventricle is the largest and most muscular chamber of heart. When filled with blood, it constricts, forcing and blood through the bulbous arteriosus. What is bulbous arteriosus? Bulbous arteriosus, the anterior side of the heart, is followed by a thickened muscular cavity called bulbous arteriosus. Blood flows through the bulbous arteriosus to the ventral aorta. A valve or series of valves in the bulbous arteriosus control blood flow to the ventral aorta. From the ventral aorta, blood flows to the gills filament and where is oxygenated. Oxygenated blood flows from the gill filament to the organ of heart and body. A complex system of arteries, veins, and capillaries circulate blood through the body and return to the blood to the sinus venosus. Thank you.